What's going on, everybody? This is break 1098. 1098. 6 boxes of 2023 Topps Chrome Cosmic. Teams are on the screen right now. And we are ready to rip. Box number 1. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. We're hoping we want every team to win in this break. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm saying, dude. Let's do that. Box number 1. I want to use every single card stand that I have here. Starting out with a Michael Harris base. Guerrero, an Adley Rutschman, and a Julio Rodriguez. Some 101s probably. Diamondbacks. And Garrett Cole. Chisholm, Bell, DeGrom for the Rangers. And a Turner. Just need lots of Matt McLain cards. All kinds of Matt McLain cards. Mullins, Votto, Nemo, Prado. Keep all those in a pile. Those are special, actually, for this. Put that there. Neato on the first box hit. Valdez and a Franco. The packs are not opening smooth thus far. Jordan Walker, our first ET talent. We'll take that. And a couple of Rangers. Langoliers. Is that a refractor? It was not. It was not. EBA. Peraza and a Votto. Duran, blue. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. Number 22 out of 99. And a green. Juan Soto. 22 out of 75 for the Padres. Let's go. Let's go. What is that already? What is that already? Planetary Pursuit. Juan Soto Mercury. Oh my gosh. Padres off to an early start. Let's go. Let's go. Randomizer. So top load that and put it in a separate pile. We'll have a bunch of those. Well, hopefully not a bunch, but a few of those by the end. First die cut. Rafael Devers. Red Sox have a couple hits off the rip. Right? Paid. box one. Box one paid. See these packs right here? Full base packs. That's why doing it by the pack is tough. But, I mean, obviously you're in it for those other packs that hit the numbers and the autos and stuff. But, man. Astros card. Julian, Jordan Walker, and a Juan Soto. Just this box is the Soto box, huh? Oh my gosh. McNeil, Nola, Amaya, and a Corey Seager. Couple nice Rangers cards. Second die cut. Myers, Cavalli, Moreno, and a Shohei for the Angels. Arenado, Brown, Marcus Simeon, and a Trout Ohtani star cluster. Buxty, and a Riley Green ET. Oh my gosh, and a catastrophe. Already, we didn't even get here till when? Like forever o'clock.
It's already going. It's moving.
Oh yeah. Hey. So I need you to like keep taking these and put them down in the box too.
Oh yeah.
I need water. Box number 2, here we go. Gunnar Henderson, ET talent. Isholm. Braves, and a Langoliers. Yoshida. Some Yankees. Turner, Hall, Duran, and a Bobby Witt for the Royals. Nice. Nice little Royals hit. Yeah, I had moved it up. I was gonna like start setting it there. But yeah, you can take it like whenever. Whenever you got downtime, just grab it and put it in the box. Because these are like, the way they put these together, Cantera on the refractor, the way they put these together, like a little hump in them. Ugh. So basically, like too many cards will just start falling all over.
Sounds great.
Luis Garcia for the Nationals, 64 out of 199. The Royals box. We need the boxes to be mixed team boxes. We don't have enough boxes to give every team a box here. Correa, Kwan, and a randomizer. That's a randomizer. Cronenworth, Contreras, and a Bobby Witt. Royals. Box hit. Julio. Oh, hey, Ohtani for the Angels. That's sick. Nice hit there. Got a blue coming. Just started, but we do have a Fernando Tatis blue 12 out of 99. Nice. We've hit a Juan Soto Mercury so far. Padres, Royals. A couple other teams have been getting the best so far. Goldschmidt, Mancini, and a Hater. Aaron Judge launched into orbit. Some Padres. I feel it, Drew. Padres are crushing it, too. So far, so early. Padres are where it's at. Just takes one card. Green coming up. Rosarena, Soto for the Rangers. Ragans, 14 out of 75. Almost thought it was first on print. The 4 was on the leg. Oh, baby. What do we have here? What do we have here, huh? Ronald Acuna Jr., Stella Nova. Nice. Take that one, put it on the stand. A good one there. We take that all day. Some Blue Jays. Julian and a Waters refractor for the Royals. We usually hear we've hit the most Baltimore. The most Baltimore on our Stellas. I think we pulled three of them. Ohtani. Three of them that were all Baltimore players. This is like one of the first ones that I've seen that isn't like Adley Rutschman. It's crazy. Third box. Here we go. Franco out of 199. 174 out of 199. I know, right? Taking away one of our numbered cards, you know? Volpe base and a Schwarby. And a Schwarby. Let's see it here. Let's see it. Devers, some Red Sox. Outman, Otani, Goldschmidt, and a Corbin Carroll ET talent. Cini, Blackman, and Freed. What is happening? Jarvis, Waters, Ryan Mountcastle for the Orioles. Not numbered on card auto. We'll take that. And some Phillies. Some little Phillies broke your heart. Heck yeah, dude. A refractor and a box hit here. We got Nick Pratto for the Royals and Ahmed Rosario on the refractor. Bogarts, Harper, Soto, and a Buxton for the Twins. Judge, Hall, Harper, and some Orioles. He says, yeah, I seen it. I seen it. Vladdy Guerrero launched into orbit. The auto was Ryan Mountcastle. Ryan Mountcastle for the Orioles. Gold, baby. Gold. For the Astros, Pena, gold. 26 out of 50. Let's go. Gold looks so nice. Gold just looks so nice. It's crazy. Some Mets and an Acuna. Trout, Terrain, Correa, and a Cody. And a randomizer. Brera, Bobby Witt, and Bryce Harper for the Phillies. Living in the stars. Corbin Carroll on the base. And a refractor. There's a Garrett Mitchell. Zach Neto. Box number 4. Let's go. Go, box number 4. 3 boxes to go. That's halfway. Let's get it. Who knows what we can do? The Cards know. Yoshida for the Red Sox. Nice. Urshad Young. However you want to say it. Appreciate the follows. Gunnar Henderson. McCutchen refractor. Mikey T on the ET. Some Braves and a Corbin Burns. Lee Nemo. And a Buxton for the Twins. 197 out of 199. And it's a randomizer card. Excuse me. It is 20 packs per box. 20 packs per box. Quintino, Abreu, Albert Pujols launched into orbit. What's the rumor, Travis? I did not hear it. And a Correa, Twins getting some hits. That would be interesting. That would be interesting. Michael Harris. Corey, some Yankees, and a Gilbert. That would be wild. I mean, I don't know. Did you search Google? Did you see any Rutschman base? Raza and an Arenado. Crazy, bro. Let's see it, dude. No Venus have surfaced, but Pluto has. Blue Jays. Intrigued. I wonder how they would fix that. Obviously, Venus is not even as rare as Pluto. But if they didn't even put them in. That was a Chisholm on the ET. I'm just like thinking in my head, I mean, with the Chrome, they're like, oh, we'll come out with these packs. What do we got here? Another Planetary Pursuit. Adley Rutschman, Mercury. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We got 2 planets. Jordan Walker. Baltimore ain't doing too bad. We need to see the Diamondbacks get a little more. Alvarez. Padres and a Will Myers. I know that would have been so crazy. Gunnar Henderson, ET talent, just to add it on for the Orioles. Michael Harris, Aguero, and a Julian Goulian. Two boxes left to go. Julia. You get it. You get it, kicker. Hey, do I want the packs? This. I want the packs this way. Yeet. Could you buy one, Piggy? They are in the store. You have money to buy one. The world may never know. Alvarez. I think we got another one.
I miss those commercials. I haven't seen one in so long.
We don't even care about the moon in this break, baby. Okay. Okay. Diamondback on Mars, baby. Oh my gosh. Diamondbacks are in the game now. Dang, dude. Diamondback. Mercury, the first planet, right? Mercury, Venus, Earth. So, yeah, then it's Mars, right? So it's the fourth. Baby. Appreciate that. Fire. He's not again. Not right now. So, but I'm saying like Mercury is the first from the sun. That's the fourth. So Mercury's the second most common, but Mars is the fourth. So that's probably a decent card to cover entry on that. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying. Since TikTok, Michael Harris on the ET talent. Since TikTok just ham boned us yesterday, I went home and my buddy was ripping and I went live with him and dude, he's like, Jordan Walker, he's like, oh, this guy played here and transferred to here and did this. And I'm like, what the hell? How do you know all these things? I forget so much information at all times. I just like to look everything up. Bryson Stott for the Phillies. There we go. It's going to be numbered on the front. 22 out of 75. Okay. That's what I'm saying. It's number 4. I was just saying is Mercury first. Or is Mars first? I'm pretty sure Mercury is first. Phillies take that, dude.
No, as someone who's in school, I would not be able to name the order for the finals. I can't do it.
Yeah, and he's in school. Kyle Stowers, you're a CB. You are a CB, bud. Well, card blocker. Paris. I don't remember what we were doing with those. Mike Trout, ET. Takes a few years. You got to give him some little bit of a chance. You know what I mean? That's a refractor, though.
Just maybe.
Earth, then Mars. Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I thought. Sorry, boys and girls. I'm not a plexpert, you know? I'm not a planet expert. It's not me. Otherwise, I'd be working at NASA.
I don't know more than just the order test.
No, I think that's it. They do a test. They're like, do you know the order of the planets? Throw a couple constellations in your face, and then they're like, yeah, you're hired, dude.
Oh, great, dude. I'm working at NASA.
You just say you don't even know the order of the planets.
Studying
Corbin Carroll.
Studying still things. Maybe.
I don't think so, dude. I don't think so, right, dude? Who cares? Every other year, they're just making stuff up. This ain't a planet. This isn't a planet. That one is. Blah, blah, blah. Taylor Ward for the Angels. 9 out of 199. Like, make up your mind, dude.
Is or is it not a planet?
How many galaxies are there? Can we take a plane yet or not?
I agree. Pluto is, in fact, a planet.
You agree?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how much anything else agrees with you.
Okay.
I mean, in my book, it is. For the rest of my life, I don't have a choice, dude. Because that's how I learned it.
Yeah. They'll tell me it wasn't.
You never know. They say the next generation's going to be smart, but then I see hundreds of them on TikTok acting like AI, so I don't know what the real answer is. You guys tell me.
Couldn't tell you.
Team Pluto, baby. Randomizer. Box hit? Oh, I don't think we hit the box hit yet because it's, of course, for the Royals. I think this is, I think this case break has worked its way out a little bit here. It's been pretty fair to a lot of people.
These
I'm going to add, man. That's why I'm moving this back. I think we're due for another red, you know? Another red. Another red. Or a 101, dude. Come on. Oh, come on. Last box of the break. Let's get it. Good luck to everybody. Appreciate everybody filling this up. We're going to just do personal boxes and packs on the rest of these. Next Wednesday. This Wednesday. Big old breaks. Bowman. Chrome. I cannot wait. I cannot. Mike Trout for the Angels. That's sick. Green. Ollie G. 54 out of 75 for the Cardinals. I said, what? The Cardinals hit, bro. That's like, I think that's the second numbered. Let's see here. Garrett Cole and a Mike Trout refractor. Angels just stacking them in. Adames, Terang, Jordan Walker on the ET, and a couple of Rangers. Another teal. Oh my gosh. You lint liquor. 197 out of 199.
What this guy do?
Huh?
What this guy do?
We're looking for two big rookies on that team, bigger rookies. And him and the other rookie are always like, oh, we'll do whatever we want. Star clusters. What is happening? I hate when that little corner gets stuck. Come on, be a numbered die cut. Be a numbered die cut. We deserve it. Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Benson, Harper, Soto, and Meneses. Oh, Hop. And a Votto ET talent. D. Rodon and some Astros. Story, Cortez, Otani, and a Henry refractor. Come on, this great break, and you're going to end us on this box. This should have been the first box that we did so far. What is happening? All right. She feels a little chunky. She feels a little chunky. Francisco Alvarez launched into orbit. 10 out of 10 for the Mets. Let's go. That is sick. Yeah. That is awesome. Oh, how about we throw in a Jeremy Pena Supernova? No big deal. We'll just add that in too for the Astros. It's fine, you guys. It's fine. It's fine. We'll just take that. We'll take the Super, the Stella. We'll take them all, baby. Let's go. Throw them at us. See, I was talking huge smack about this box, and it's like, oh yeah, watch this, dude. Oh, watch this, dude. Josh Young, Vientos, and a Juan Carlos Stanton. Riley, Gunnar Henderson, Kyle Tucker, and some Angels. Packs left to go. Groshans, Robert, and a Riley Green ET talent. Freeman, Stott, and a Colas. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. That was solid. That was solid. Wow, wow, wee woo. That was crazy. I was like, I think we're just capped out on hits. No, just kidding, dude. So what did we end up with? 2 autos? So there's still 2 autos live in the case, and at least 2 autos, including the ET Talent auto hasn't been hit yet. All right, let me check these out. We got 2 of those. We got 2 of those, and we got 1 of those. I don't have enough for everybody to get one. We're gonna roll the dice. Roll the dice. 1 and a 2 goes to the left. 3 and a 4 goes to the middle. 5 and a 6 goes to the team on the right. Good luck. It is a 5. 5 it is, going to the team on the right.
I may or may not have stole your tag.
And that's not it. Yep. I'll just go grab
There should be some just right
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to the Dodgers, the Tigers, and Seattle.
legs.
His legs. All right, let's do a recap here. Goldschmidt on the green. Trout. Franco. I don't know. You should have took that one out. He don't know, guys. He don't know. He don't watch sports.
No.
It's unfortunate. Harper. Prado. Another one. Soto. Ragans. Tatis on the blue. Ohtani on the box hit. Garcia. Witt. Simeon. Devers. Nito. DeGrom. Bryson Stott on the green auto out of 75. We got a Ryan Mountcastle on card auto refractor. Gold Jeremy Pena. Supernova of Jeremy Pena. Out of 10. 10 out of 10. Francisco Alvarez launched into orbit. Soto Mercury. Rutschman Mercury. Corbin Carroll Mars. And a Ronald Acuna Stella Nova. Yeah, that Ohtani nucleus is sick. I don't think the Angels had like a giant overall hit, but they had a lot of really nice refractors and stuff. Appreciate everybody on that rip. We will definitely catch you in the next one.